live, coming to you straight and direct. Signature band at Cafe Pays You at Just Lounge. We're having a good time out here. We wish you were here with us.
Cafe Pays You, home of Juice Lounge. We're having a great time here. Friday night, Sex in the City.
Where the disco pals at? Raise your hand if you like disco. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, 1, 2, 3, come on, y'all.
This is Jamal Aaron of Juice Lounge. Every Friday in Bethesda, Maryland, it's the hottest spot, Juice Lounge. Anyways, over here we have a lot of happy patrons. As you can tell, we got Ron in the house.
Yeah. You got Ron in the house tonight.
Hi, this is Jackie. You're here at Juice Lounge, and I'm going to make you a bikini martini.